Hello students, how are you all? So let's start a new topic today, that is subject verb agreement. Well, before moving on to the topic, let's see first what is called a subject in a sentence. Well, the subject of a sentence is who or what a sentence is about. Means about what we are talking in a sentence is called a subject. Now let's see what is called a verb. The verb is the action in the sentence, or you can say the word which shows some action in the sentence is called a sentence. Means what is happening in the sentence from the word which we know is called a verb. Now what happening is the subject and verb must work together to agree. This makes the sentence sound good. Well, there are lots of rules and regulations for a sentence to be framed correctly and accurately. And for the subject verb agreement, there are lots of rules, but here we are going to discuss only 2 rules. So children, see here the rule number 1. If the noun is singular, then you will add a s to the verb. Like for example, you can see the girl jumps rope at recess. First of all, find out the subject here. To find out the subject, you can ask a question like who. The answer will be the girl. The girl is a subject here, and see the subject is singular. So the verb will also be in a singular form. Means you have to change the verb by putting s, es or ies accordingly. So here the girl is a singular subject here, so the verb will also be in a singular form. Now let's move on to the rule number 2. If the noun is plural, then the verb has no s at the end. The girls jump rope at recess. See once again the rule number 2. If the noun is plural, then the verb has no s at the end. Like suppose the girls jump rope at recess. Here the girls is a plural subject. So there is no change in the form of the verb. It will take the same first form of the verb. In this way, this subject and verb agrees with each other if the noun is plural. But here some of the exceptions are there also. Like I and you are the exception. I and you are both singular subjects. When you use them, you don't add on s to the end of the verb. I and you, though being a singular subject, they act like the plural one. Means there will be no changing in the verb forms. They are going to take the same first form of the verb as it is. Like I jump rope at recess. You jump rope at recess. Let's have some more examples. One picture here, the first picture here is, you can see 2 dogs are sitting on the grass. 2 dogs covered in a pink box is the subject here, and being a plural subject, it is taking the plural verb like are. 2 dogs are sitting on the grass. But here in the next picture, 1 dog is the subject. Being a singular subject, it is taking the singular verb here like is. 1 dog is sitting on the grass. Let's move on to some more examples given here. Like the same theme, single subject will have single verb. Like the dog chases the cat. The student works hard. Susan drives to work. Like the subjects are singular here, so the verb forms have been changed by putting it into s. In the same way, other examples also we will see in the next video. As there are lots of rules in the subject verb agreement chapter, We will discuss those rules in the next video. Till then, you watch this video and try to learn the rules. Bye. Take care, everyone.